morning to our lecturer. Today our presentation is the new primary school in Nilai, all new town. So below part is the member's name. My name is Sam, and the next is Tai Zijian, and the following is Lim Jiahao, Desmond Cheng, and Lai Xinong. And this will following the presenter who will present later. So before present this report, let me talk about the situation about it. We know that in Nilai already have three or four primary school in all new town, but it's not enough. We can say that the supply is more than the demand. So the government decide to build one more primary school in Nilai. So they already decide, and they have already have a land, and now this report are talking about the substructure and the material. What substructure will we use, and what material will we discuss about. Then how it produce, how it go on, will inside this report. Okay, so now I pass to my friend Tai Zijian to talk about his part.
Hi, I'm Zijian. Today I'm going to talk about what kind of substructures to be used in this school project. Substructure can be defined as all structure below the superstructure, which in general term is considered to include all structure below ground level, but including the ground floor deck. Firstly, foundation is an essential component for a building. It is the part of a structure that will transmit the load of the structure to the subsoil safely, financially, and without any forbidden development during the procedure and all through the normal design of the building or structure. The foundation will be our choice in this school project. Both Charlie and Roger Greenall have mentioned that the foundation is used to support and transmit the load from pier and column. Normally, the foundation is a square or rectangular. The foundation can be used for the building in school project which does not have too many stories, like canteen, library, multi-purpose halls, and so on. Secondly, grounding is necessary to exist in every building. Grounding is designed to support brick or block wall and to form a permanent shelter to the edge of institute concrete slab. By having grounding installed, you can improve construction progress by reducing poor ground condition. There are 5 types of beam, which are main beam, secondary beam, tertiary beam, high beam, and edge beam. Main beam, or we call primary beam, it is the beam that stretches over from corner to corner. Secondary beam is one type of beam to stretch over the main beam. Tertiary beam is the beam across between the column and the main beam, and the function is distributed the load from the beam to column. And next is the tie beam. Tie beam is a beam that stretches over a column and its purpose dividing above of the column. It is to support the stability of structure. And the last is edge beam. It functions as binding beam to stresses between the external column. Thirdly, ground floor slab is similar to beam in the way they stand horizontally between support and may be simply supported, continually supported, or continuable. It is usually required when the area space is limited for certain use, like parking lots. Slabs may be classified into two main groups depending on whether they are supported on the ground or suspended in a building. Ground floor slab consists of subbase, hardcore, grinding, and then roof and bed. Subbase is usually covered with a hard layer of organic soil we call topsoil, where it is unsuitable for building. Hardcore is to form a firm base and act against capillary action that will suck water from the soil. Grinding is to provide a cracked tree-level surface onto which the roof membrane or cracked slab can be placed. And the last is damp-proof membrane (DPM). It is to prevent moisture rising from the ground into the interior of the building. Last but not least, retaining wall is considered as a kind of substructure as well. The function of a retaining wall is used to retain the soil as a slope. The type of retaining wall are including gravity retaining wall, cantilever retaining wall, sheet piling, bow pile, mass retaining wall, counterfort, precast concrete, reinforcement accelerate, and encode. In school project, we will choose gravity retaining wall. Gravity retaining wall resist the low pressure, rely on their mass such as stone, concrete, or other heavy material. Gravity retaining wall have a bottom face to impose stability by leaning back toward the retained soil. For sure finishing wall, they are regularly produced using a mortar, stone, or segmental solid unit. Dry stack gravity wall are to some degree adaptable and don't require any unbending balance. The benefit of gravity wall include giving permanent support to keep the soil set up. Moreover, gravity wall can decrease cost or maintain and avoid corrosion. In addition, gravity wall can defend against flooding. A gravity wall can also counteract harm to property or encompassing structure. Therefore, we will choose gravity retaining wall as the substructure to retain the soil and absorb to use in our project.
Now I will talk about the construction sequence of pad foundation. Firstly, measure and mark the foundation dimension in the construction start site. Then we excavate the pit of foundation until the depth is required. Next, we pour a layer of lean concrete as blinding to provide flat surface on the excavated area. Then further adjust the position of the formwork to follow the design plan. After that, add some spacers block on the lean concrete as concrete cover. Furthermore, erect the reinforcement to stump. Make sure the stump is middle of foundation. Then add more ties to formwork and pour concrete inside it. Lastly, concrete to gain sufficient strength and to be hardened will take at least 24 hours. Second, I will talk about the construction sequence of column stump. First, we need to measure and mark the dimension of the column stump that need to build on foundation. Then we further connect the reinforcement bar from the starter bars up to the ground level. We need to build the reinforcement bar higher than the ground level for further connection to column. Furthermore, we construct the formwork around the starter bar onto the foundation. Then we carry out the stump test of concrete. Next, we pour concrete into the formwork. Then we wait for the concrete to be hardened and dry. After that, we remove formwork from column stump. Lastly, we backfill the pit with excavated earth after the construction of column stump is complete. The following is the construction sequence of the ground beam. The ground beam construction will be started after a column stump has been finished. Beam formwork will put and point stack set in the ground with tidy so they look tough and straight. After that, lean concrete is laid out on ground surface into the formwork. The reinforcement will be put with spacers block on below and beside reinforcement. Then I will talk about the construction sequence of in situ concrete slab. In situ concrete slab are built on the building site using formwork which the concrete is poured. If the slab is to be reinforced, the rebar are positioned within the formwork before the concrete is poured in. Plastic tip metal or plastic bar chair are used to hold the rebar away from the bottom and side of the formwork, so that when the concrete set it completely envelop the reinforcement. After the concrete has set, the wood may be removed or left there permanently. Lastly is the construction sequence of retaining wall. The retaining wall construction will be started with the site preparation and site excavation. During the first stage, we need to remove the vegetation and organic soil on the surface area. Then we excavate base trench based on the site that mentioned in the approved plan. Next, we can start to set up the wall base. After first stage is finished, we may start to install base material. In addition, we can move on to install the base surface cost. We need to design the drain pipe before the design detail on an alternative drain location. Next, we need to install backfill. During this stage, we use the appropriate soil to backfill behind the wall. In the final stage, we need to install additional costs beside. We need to remove all extra material from the top surface of retaining wall block. After that, we complete the retaining wall to the required height and view the finishing details on retaining wall ending option. Then we use the low permeable to fill on the last leaf to finish the wall.